Hi, I'm Judy Machado Duke, author of Life Purpose Playbook and founder of Productivity Goddess. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips to bring your book to life. So make sure you watch this video until the end so that you can get a copy of this amazing workbook startup kit. So let's begin. Tip number 1, create the cover of your book first. Wayne Dyer used to talk about this all the time. Before he was ready to write a new book, he would always create the cover first. So he would find an image, create the cover, and put his name on the cover so that the book, it looked as though the book was already written. And he would place that cover on his desk as inspiration for him as he would write the book. I did exactly the same thing, thanks to Wayne Dyer, when I wrote my book, The Life Purpose Playbook, which is a planner. So when I wrote my book, the very first thing I did was I knew I wanted a mandala image, sacred geometry. So I found this image, and then I had the cover designed so that it included my name, so that I too could have this incredible inspiration on my desk as I was completing this book. A great place to go to find some great images as possibilities for the cover of your book is ThinkStock. Just type in whatever you're thinking, animals, mandalas, whatever it is that you'd like to see on the cover of your book, and there will be thousands upon thousands of options for you. Step number 2 is to create a skeleton of your book. So what this means is that you will actually take a piece of paper or on your computer and in bullet form, put down all of the ideas that you'd like to include in this book, all of the main themes or ideas that you would like to include in your book. And so once you've completed that, you now have each of your chapters laid out. Step number 3 is to make a commitment to start writing your book. I can't believe how many people use the excuse of not knowing how to publish the book or needing to know how to publish the book before they can start writing the book. Don't even worry about that part. I promise you that's the easiest part in this whole process. Just start writing your book. You have a story to share, and the person who needs to read your book, your finished book, more than anyone in this whole world is you. You will not believe the healing journey that you will go through in writing this book. So make sure you find someone or a group to help you to become accountable to this new goal, this new commitment of yours. Without accountability, most of us just get lost and distracted in social media for hours on end every single day. So join us for a 7-day trial in the Goddess Temple and see for yourself if our weekly calls can really help and support you in staying committed and excited every week. And one final bonus idea. Think about whether you can turn your book into an interactive workbook maybe. I have found personally that most of my breakthroughs in seminars or in reading books have come from actually stopping and writing my thoughts and my feelings and my ideas after an important message to create a breakthrough for me. So consider, how can you turn your book into a workbook? So there you go. Now you know 3 tips to help you bring your book to life fast. Now, would you like some more information on how to turn your book into an interactive workbook? Well, I've got an amazing free workbook startup kit, your 5-step guide to creating an engaging workbook, created by Teresa McNeely, who happened to also design my book, The Life Purpose Playbook. So I'm excited to share this with you. Make sure that you click the link in the description below to download that now. If you liked this video, press the like button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.